only 1% of students know these 5 study secret. So our first study secret is evaluate yourself. After having finished to study, make up your own practice test, which is supposed to evaluate your knowledge on that given topic. If you are unsatisfied with the result, just go back to study some more. Second study secret is studying without desire spoils the memory and it retains nothing that it takes in. Third study secret is study and practice. Means gaining knowledge without practice is useless and practice without knowledge is so dangerous. So whatever you learn, you need to apply that learning to your own work as well. Fourth study secret is study gaps. If there is a test coming up in the next 7 days, the recommended way to study is 3 to 4 seasons with space in between, instead of studying non-stop for 7 days. This way you study less yet retain more for the day of the test. And last, fifth study secret is take short breaks. Means a study found that participants who were given short breaks during a 15-minute task perform better than those who work straight through. So hope guys you like this 5 study secret, and for more study secrets and study tips videos, please subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching. Goodbye, take care.